All right, guys, if you're a marketing agency owner or freelancer right now and you want to start having clients come to you, reach out to you, and request more info on how they can become a client of your agency without having to spend money on ads or hire a team, then listen up to this short video, guys. My name is Sebastian Robeck. I am the founder here of Agency Hypergrowth. I've been coaching and mentoring agencies for the last almost 3.5 years now. And guys, the truth is, for most agencies and freelance marketers, you're getting stuck in the trap of constantly sending mass DMs, the cold email, the Facebook messages, the LinkedIn, the Instagram. And most of the time, guys, you're getting ghosted. And if you do get a response, it's actually, we're not interested, or no thanks, or hey, we'll reach back out in 3 months. The truth is, guys, the agency space and the freelancing space has changed drastically. And the days of sending one random message, one email, and landing a client are over. They're done. Now, here's the cool part. You do not need a massive ad budget. You don't even need a ton of case studies or social proof to go out and start landing clients right now, today, and have them start reaching out to you. Now, for some context, guys, I got started in the online marketing space about almost 3.5 years ago in December of 2017, or really about October. Guys, I was a nobody. I had no following. No one knew who I was. No one knew my name, nor did they care to know it. I had no case studies, testimonials, nothing to my name online. And fast forward 2.5, 3 years later, guys, I now have a massive following that is engaged. I've been able to scale my businesses to over multiple 7 figures. And I want to teach you guys exactly how I've done it for my own businesses, and exactly how I'm teaching our private clients who are growing agencies and freelance marketing businesses to do it as well. And I want to share with you what I call the content to client method on my new live workshop coming up on Saturday, July 24th at 3 p.m. Eastern. I'm going to literally, guys, be taking you behind the scenes on exactly how we create short, punchy 3 to 5 minute videos that solve a clear pain for your market and allow you to be positioned as your client's what I call messiah. You see, the thing is, guys, business owners are jaded. They are skeptical, more skeptical now than they ever have been, guys. The agency space, getting B2B clients, is fiercely competitive. And it's this strategy, guys, it's the content to client method that has allowed our clients to come into our coaching programs and go out and start nabbing appointments within literally a matter of days of putting out videos, guys. Starting getting clients reaching out to them saying, hey, I want to work with you. I love what you're doing. I want more info. Imagine that for a second, guys. You don't have to chase clients. You don't have to keep running after the next client. No. All you need to do, guys, is create what I call this energy bubble, this almost vortex around you and your energy, or around you and your agency rather, that pulls clients in. So I want you guys to imagine how your agency would change if all of a sudden clients were asking you for help. You weren't chasing anymore. Imagine that for a second, guys. That is not only possible, but it's happening right now for myself and our clients, and I would love to share this system with you guys. Again, if you don't have to be good on camera. You don't need existing case studies or social proof. You don't need money for ads, right? You don't need to mass DM, guys. I'm gonna show you how we create these short 3 to 5 minute videos, the framework behind the videos, the magic formula, if you will, that allows us to crank out videos like that and have them literally start attracting a flood of business owners into your DMs and your messages, asking for you to help them grow their business. So, guys, if you'd like to learn this system, I'm going to be literally teaching the entire thing on a 1.5 to 2 hour long training, again, on Saturday, July 24th at 3 p.m. Eastern time. I would love to have you on. Again, if you're a marketing agency or freelancer right now and you're just tired of the constant hustle mode, and instead you want to be able to take a day off, 3 days off, or a week off, knowing that you've got clients coming to you, you got new business coming in all the time, and you don't need a huge ad budget to do it, then I'd love to have you on my workshop. Click the button below. Go grab it. It's $27 for a virtual ticket. If you can't afford $27, I don't know what to tell you. Guys, this is literally what I've used to scale my business to multiple 7 figures, build a highly engaged following, build a real brand around my agency. And guys, this is where the agency space is moving. If you don't have a real legitimate brand and authority behind you and your name and your agency, it's going to be very, very difficult to compete in the next 12, 24, and 36 months as an agency and freelancer. So again, guys, I'd love to have you on there. I am so excited. It's probably my favorite part of my business is creating content and attracting clients into my ecosystem and not having to sell. That's the beautiful thing too, guys. You will no longer be getting on sales calls. You won't be doing sales calls anymore. You'll be doing chill, laid back conversations that are enrollment calls that are actually more so onboarding calls. No more sales calls. No more high pressure stuff. Screw that. I'm not about that, guys. I want people to come on to the phone with me who I know, already know me, love me, and trust me. And I want to share with you guys exactly how to do that for your own agency and yourself in 2021. So guys, go grab a ticket. I'd love to have you on there, and I will see you guys on the workshop. Peace and love, y'all.